We're selling here in auction time today is this John Deere 4520 diesel, and this baby's got 110 horsepower, completely nut and bolt reconditioned on her. We're going to start it up and we're going to run through the gears with you. It's got the Syncro trans, it's got 2 hydraulic outlets. The tractor runs like brand new. The rubber's in excellent shape, as you can see. We're going to do a quick walk around with it here. Take a look at the professional paint job on her. Look how clean that is, and everything's nice and straight. Come on over here. She's got all new filters, all new belts on it. Everything's been reconditioned or is new. All the gauges work. All the lights are in working order. We just got done plowing 5 acres of land with it just to test it out to make sure it all works good. Here's the hydraulic outlets in the back. Show you all that. The seat's brand new. All the lights are new in the back as well. We're going to fire it up now and let you guys check it out. Come on around here. We'll show you. We got a easy access step we put on the side over here. So it's easy for anybody to get up and down on this tractor. And like I said, we just got done plowing 5 acres and it runs like a top. Now we're going to start it up and go through the Syncro trans with you real quick. Give me a call if you got any questions about her. Listen to how she runs to finish out the video. Thank you. Give me a call.